How to activate Lazada PayLater. 1. Update the Lazada app. Ensure you have the latest version of the Lazada app installed on your phone. 2. Check for PayLater option. Open the Lazada app. Go to your account by tapping on your profile icon. Look for the Lazada PayLater option, usually under Services or My Wallet. 3. Initiate activation. Tap on the Lazada PayLater option. If available, click Activate to start the process. 4. Verify your identity. Submit the required documents, example, a government-issued ID. Choose an ID to scan. Align your ID within the frame until all 4 edges turn blue. It will automatically scan your ID. Take a selfie or follow the app's instructions for identity verification. Get an activation code. You will receive a call from Lazada providing you with the code. Make sure to have a pen and paper ready or memorize the code carefully. Tap Activate PayLater. 5. Provide additional details. Fill out personal information such as your address, employment details, and income. Tap Enable Location Service. Tap while using the app. Tap Set Up PIN and enter your new PIN code. 6. Wait for approval. Lazada will review your application. If approved, you will receive a confirmation notification. 7. Start using PayLater. That's it. Hope it helps.